you should count your blessings. As Dale Carnegie used to say, you should count your blessings. So rather than asking yourself all these negative questions, why do you have to work, why do you have to study, don't do that. Don't do what most people do, okay? Because you will be like an average person. Instead, ask yourself, what do I have in my life? What blessings do I have? Ask yourself, do I have a family? Do I have friends? Am I healthy? Do I have a job? And everybody has different blessings. They're similar, but they're all different for different people. But you have your blessings, you have your assets. And even if you are highly negative and you think that you don't have anything in your life, do what Dale Carnegie used to do. Ask yourself, would I sell my eyes for $2 million? Would you? I wouldn't. I couldn't see this view. Would you sell your heart for $5 million? Would you sell your family for $50 million? These are your assets. Even though you think you don't have anything, you have something. Everybody has some assets. Everybody has some sort of talents, abilities. The problem is that very often we don't appreciate them. Okay, we appreciate them only when we lose them. So you have your family, but you don't really appreciate it. You appreciate it when you lose it, okay? So count your blessings, and the best thing to do is to write it down, okay? Write down what you have, and I can guarantee you that you'll feel much better about your life. Anyway, to summarize, if you perform this routine in the morning, it will take you a total of 15 minutes. So you jump out of the bed, you exercise, you read your goals and envision them, and thirdly, you count your blessings. I can guarantee you that your entire day will be different. Furthermore, if you do it every single day, after 5, 6, 7 days, you'll get into the habit, and it will feel strange not to do it every morning. And if you do it every morning, your level of success will go like this. It will literally soar, because if you start the day in the right way, then your entire day is different, and you'll have totally different impact on your life. If you are positive, if you are motivated, if you are full of passion. By the way, guys, sorry for the light. I know it's a sunset actually here. It's an amazing place. I'm making this video spontaneously because I just felt like recording something. It's breathtaking. I mean, the view is breathtaking, and I just want to show you the statue because it's really amazing. It's unbelievable. Rio de Janeiro. If you haven't been, make sure you come, because you will never forget this place.